Adobe Connect Meetings Share Pod has 4 common content and classroom tools within it. This video focuses on sharing a document. Please see the other videos in this series to learn about sharing your screen, whiteboards, and YouTube videos. Hosts and presenters can share documents using the SharePod. Sharing documents this way rather than through screen sharing requires lower bandwidth, provides more navigation options, and results in a better viewing experience. You can share a variety of file types using Share Document, JPEG and PNG image files, audio and video files, PowerPoint, PDF, and zip files are all supported. In an empty SharePod, click the center Share My Screen drop-down menu and select Share Document. In the Select Document to Share pop-up window, choose Browse My Computer. Select the document, PowerPoint or PDF, or file, MP3, MP4, you want to show and click Open. The document or file will take time to upload and then appears in the SharePod, and its name appears in the title bar of the pod. The Select Document to Share pop-up window also has a history of what has been recently uploaded and shared. You can select content shared previously in the current meeting from either the whiteboards or the uploaded files folders as well. With some PowerPoint uploads, you may encounter an error in converting message. However, the file will still be accessible. Close or cancel the error message and then select Share Document again and find and select the PowerPoint file from the Uploaded Files folder. Be sure to click Stop Sharing when you're done with each file that you have open in a SharePod. Having more than one PowerPoint open at a time can increase the bandwidth draw. For documents with multi-frame or screen content, controls for playback will appear at the bottom of the SharePod. By default, your document display is synchronized so that attendees see what you see. Use the Sync button in the lower right corner of the SharePod to turn off this feature when you want participants to navigate documents at their own pace. Click it again to synchronize. Finally, you can use the pointer and draw tools to add markups to individual frames or screens, and then save or email a snapshot of the frame or screen. For more information about Adobe Connect Meeting and to see additional videos about the SharePod features, please visit the host resource page at echannelconnect.contactnorth.ca/help. For technical assistance, call the Contact North Help Desk Monday to Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. at 1-888-850-4628.